Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. In this video I'm going to be teaching this part. The first 8 counts are 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. So before the footwork on 7, 8, we're going to slightly turn to the left side. After this, on 1, take your left foot and step it forward and raise your right leg up like this. So one more time, 1. After this, on end, you're going to take your right foot and step like this. Then with your left leg, you're going to slide to the back. So from here, step and slide. So one more time, 1 and then on 2, from here, after you slide, you're going to raise your right leg up and lift your left leg down. So 1, slide and right leg up. So after you slide, just keep your leg there. So it is 1, step, slide up. Okay, after that, on 3, take your right leg and bring it down. Okay, like this. And with your left foot, slide it forward. So before it was backwards, now slide it forward. And one more time, after you slide your leg, you're going to raise that right leg up as we did in the first move. So from here, slide and up. So from the beginning, 7, 8, okay, 1 and 2 and 3, and on 4 repeat the same move we did before. So slide to the back and raise that right leg up and end like this. And we're going to repeat this 2 times. So after this, one more time again and end up like this with the right leg up. One more time, 7, 8, 1 and 2, again 3 and 4. And also like lean forward every time you jump forward, okay? So like lean forward like this. So lean forward, then back, and again lean forward and back. So after doing this, we're going to continue on 5, 6 and 7. So jump and lift your left leg up, look into the left side, then switch, right leg up, and now look to the front. So left up, then right up. Then switch again, left up, okay, like this, lift it like this, and right up. So one more time. From here, left, right, right. From here, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then on 8, kick your right leg forward like this. Take it to the front. Okay, so one more time with count 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, kick. So for the hands, put your hands at the back, okay, like this, and leave it there on 1 and 2. Then on 3, you're going to switch. So put your hands into fist like this. Right hand is going to go around. So make a circle with your right hand as if you're driving. Okay, so it is 1, 2, now drive, 3, 4. Let's repeat one more time. Okay, from here. So 7, 8, 1 and 2, drive 3 and 4. From there, keep your hands to the back one more time. So hands to the back and just do this move with your hands at the back. Okay, so from there, one more time. It is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, hands to the back, 5, 6 and 7, 8. One more time from the beginning, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Now faster, so from 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Next 8 counts are 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So kick your right leg to the left side like this 2 times, then switch and kick your right leg to the right side, okay, 2 times. So you're going to kick, 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 and also jump. Then your hands are going clap, clap, so right up, left down, and again clap, clap. So 2 times, 2 times. So all together on 1, 2, clap, down, 3, 4, clap, up. Then on 5, 6, 7, 8, take your right leg and put your hands at the back and push it back like this. Kick it, but to the right side, to the back. Then to the front, and one more time push it to the back. So all together from the beginning is back, front, back. And also like kind of jump while you're doing this. So jump, jump, jump. Then with your hands, first put them at the back. On the first and second kick, put them at the back. And on the last kick, when we put our leg to the back, we're going to take our right hand and stretch it out to the left side like this. So all together, back, front, and back, like this. Okay, one more time from the beginning. After we clap, 4, 5, 6, 7, then on 8, we're going to twist our left foot to the right side like this, and our leg is going to be up like this. Okay, then our hands are going to go to the other side like this. So one more time, 5, 6, 7, 8, hand up. One more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's repeat from the very beginning from this part. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this, next up is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8 on 1, right arm down and left leg is going down. So altogether 1. Then on 2, when the right leg is down, left leg goes out. So switch to the other leg and stretch out your left arm all the way to the front and take it down, down, down slowly. So it is 1, right down and left down. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And after this on 5, 6, then 7, 8. After you bring your left hand down, take your right hand and join them together like this. And take your left leg to the front like this. And you're going to roll your hips forward and forward. So from here, 5, 6, then on 7, 8, take your thumb and point to the back with your left hand and roll one more time, roll. So it is 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next up is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after 8, hands down to your knees, like this, and then on 2, take them up. So hands up at the sides of your body like this. So from 8, 1, 2, then on 3, hands back down to your knees, like this. Then after 3, on 4, move your feet to the left side and hold your balance there, and your hand is going to go to the right side like this. So opposite sides. Then back again to your knees in your place, and again switch. Now feet is going to the right side and hands to the left side. Okay, so from here, feet to the left, back to the right. Okay, so from the beginning, after 8, 1, 2, down to the left, back to the right. Then on 7, 8, left hand back, and the right hand with your index finger, put it under your nose like this and slide. So after this, you're going to slide to the left, and your hands going to also slide to the right, like slide it back. So from here, slide. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slide. And remember, when your hands are moving to the right, tilt your head to the right, and when they're moving to the left side, tilt your head to the left. Okay, so it is 2, 3, to the right, to the left. Okay, then 7, 8. From the beginning, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then down, up, down to the left, back to the right, 7, slide. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.